Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your TapTap Send account, and it's really easy and simple. First things first, you want to come here at the top left and click on these three lines, okay? Then from here I want you to come and click on support, right? So in order to delete your account, you need to contact their support team. So at the bottom here it says need help with something else, contact us. Go ahead and click on this. And what I need you to do is here click on email, okay? Email to the support, and we need to describe our issue. So just go ahead and click on this to enter your text and just basically type that you want to delete your TapTap Send account. And you can also provide a reason, but just simply make it clear that you want them to delete your account along with all of its files so that your account will be completely deleted permanently. Then after you fill everything in right here, so you can just go ahead and click on submit, and they will get back to you and they will actually go ahead and delete your TapTap Send account. So now you know, guys, how to delete your TapTap account permanently. If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution, and I'll see you in the next one.